Hi friends, I am Madhyalagan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Today I have explained for the subject is cyber law and data protection in the commerce. So my topic is cyber risk management in commerce and banking. Today we have a lot of commerce field and banking field. They have a risk management is the high risk because of money transactions and online fraud and online theft. It's to be increasing further nowadays. So how to handle it for the cyber risk management in commerce and banking? So this type we have a analysis and how to protect of our data. So now a slide we have explained. So cyber risk management in commerce and banking, it should be field of the commerce and banking. It should be referred to the identifications, assessment and mitigations and monitoring of the digital threats that the cloud would be important to the confidentiality, integrity and availability of the critical systems and the data. So we have a cyber risk management. It is the field of commerce and the banking. Okay, it should be referred to the identifications, customer identifications, and assessment and monitoring the digital thread. It should be impact of some of the critical system and data. This will follow this. This is the increasing for the dependency on the online platform. It should be mostly used for the online platform, online transactions, and online data sharing. It should be increasing for the dependency on the online platform and digital transaction for cyber risk management. So nowadays, it should be increased for the this type of cyber risk management. Is now core business functions. This is the increasing for this type of processing. So next one is the important in the commerce and banking. So important in the commerce and banking, we have online transactions and purchasing and customer data, customer account sharing and customer money transaction sharing and customer business sharing is the whatever it is we have a basic platform online transactions. So important in the amount of transactions in the commerce and banking, that's why we have used it. Second one is the product financial data and transactions. Product financial data, it is the means we have a ID and customer database, customer bank address, customer Aadhaar card. That way we have a financial data and transaction we have a need. Next, third one is the maintenance customer trend and business reputations. Fourth one is the prevent fraud and databases and the ransomware attack. For example, if we have a given for the some of the link and data theft and prevent fraud, it is online platforms to be increased. So we have this type of product for the prevent fraud and data breaches and ransomware attacks. Fifth one is the ensure the legal and regularity compliance. Sixth one is the support business continuously and relations. So this type of we have used on the cyber risk management and commerce banking. So key cyber risk in banking and commerce, phishing and social engineering, and fake emails are called trick employee and customer into the relevant credentials the databases. So unauthorized access to the customer financial or personal information and ransomware attack and systems are locked until ransom is the paid and payment fraud and unauthorized or manipulated the online transactions. So next one is the inside the thread and employee misuse the access to the steal or leak data and DDoS attacks. DDoS attacks, it is the means distributed denial of the services, overload system and distributed online banking services. This type of we have used in the attack of cyber risk management in the commerce. So next one is the inside the threat. For example, of employee misuse the access to the steal or lack of data. So DOS attacks is a distributed denial of the services attacks. So next one is the overload systems and distribute online banking services. This type of we have use it on the cyber risk management in commerce and banking. So next one is the whatever it is the cyber risk and management strategy. So we have a given for the five strategy. First one is the risk identifications. This is the first stage, and the description is to recognize the potential threat and vulnerability in the systems. Second one is the risk assessment. So evaluate the impact and height for the each risk. Third one is the risk mitigations. It's the implement control, for example, of firewall, access control, and training extra. Fourth side is the instant response. It's prepared to a plan to detect and respond to and recover from the attacks. Fifth one is the monitoring and review. It should be continuously monitoring a threat and update the security policies. This type of we have a use it on the commerce and banking side of the cyber management. We have a product and analysis of this type of further cyber law and data protection. Thank you.